Hey chicken heads, I am here to show you guys a Bantu knot tutorial that's not gonna fail, because these Bantu knots have been in since Sunday. It is now Thursday and I've been moisturizing my hair like throughout the week and stuff, and I'm just hoping that my sis turns out right, because if she doesn't, I'm really gonna give up on the whole style. Hope you guys enjoy this one and we're gonna get started. So I'm not going to talk that much in this one, only because my last video I was just really talking the whole time, and I think this time I really want y'all to just like watch me and everything. But if I feel like something needs to be said or something like that, I'll just say it. Like, I don't think y'all needed to know that, but alright, whatever. Alright, so I kind of look like a joke, but not for long. So I'm done my makeup, but like I'm trying to do this right. Like, I don't want to mess this up. I don't want to mess this up because I want to wear it down. But if I mess it up, I'm wearing it up. So I'm going to look at a video of how to properly separate and fluff my Bantu knots. And I'm going to really try to do this right. I'm really trying, y'all. Just hear me out. I'm going to take mine down with like a little bit of Jamaican Black Castor Oil on my hands. Just for like shine purposes.
It's like bam. And you know it's dry. You know it's good when you have that extra bounce. So you saw how I had that bounce in the beginning? That's what you want. If your hair doesn't bounce back like that.
Oh, that video, if y'all want to watch it for yourselves, I'll probably put it in the description just so that it's easier to like look up. But that was Twisted Bantu Knot Out Tutorial Natural Hair by Doff. Let me follow my sis because she helping me out. And I'm about to watch another one because hers turned out a little bit fluffy and I want mine to be more defined. So I'm about to watch, what's this, De La Soul, and I'm gonna see what she did. Y'all see my hair shining? Wait, because do y'all see this shine? Like, I just want y'all to get into the shine of my hair. Like, when I first did the Bantu knots, they was not shining at all. They was just like fluffy and like, it was still cute, but I was really like, in doing these types of styles, I was doing all the right things, but I was missing like my shine, and like, I need the shine. Like, it's so good. Like, it's so good. All these turned out so good. I don't know if it was because it was in for 4 days or what. Like, peep it. Just peep the bounce back. Peep the bounce back. Yo, I can't, y'all. The list of things that I can't do, it. So, what they say do next, I don't want to mess this up. I'm going to use the other girl technique where she says she going to separate her hair like where it's natural, where it naturally wants to separate or whatever. Yeah, I can't really see. My mirror is kind of far away, but I don't really think I need like a straight part or nothing like that. But I'm just giving myself a little part. I have like no bobby pins. Like, this shit is crazy. Why do I feel this way? Why you got me? So, as y'all already know, Like, my camera died, but like, y'all already knew that. Like, I'm still trying to separate and fluff. Like, this is a whole nother world to me. It's still gonna be like this all day though, because it's like, it's first day hair. So I'm gonna try to fluff it out as much as I can. I already know what I'm about to be using on my edges. I'm gonna be using this first as like a pre to my actual, you know, edge mastery, and then I'm gonna be going over it with the Even 24-hour edge control, being this beautiful spray that got to be glued free spray. It's gonna freeze my edges all day, and I'm not gonna have to reapply no edge control.
I did on cat, I did on my bed, fucking on your big on her dad. All these niggas sound like cats, I'm a soldier, damn I thought I told you, shooting like a soldier, like I'm from Atlanta. All these niggas, always cold, big, bang, never, go, sip, act, bet that shit slow, bitch, said she like a club, young car glow, design, it's on, call it dirty laundry, I live with the one young card, hey young card, young card, I do your bit in that loop, I do your bit in that loop, all of my bit in that ring, and they say rock in that ring,
I'm about to spend a little time talking about all the products that I use. They will all be in the description box below. And so I'm gonna just explain the whole process. I think I was gonna wash my hair, but I didn't, because I wash my hair very often. After getting everything out my hair, like, I put this Jamaican Black this Jamaican Black Castor, oh my gosh, this Jamaican Black Castor Oil strengthen and restore leave-in conditioner. That's what I put all through my hair. I like raked the product through my hair and stuff, and it made my hair real soft. And then I use shea butter in my hair sometimes, but I use a different kind of shea butter for my hair than I use for my face. So the one that I use for my face is 100% I was about to say Jamaican Black Castor, 100% shea butter that I just got from Walmart. But this one, now we talking money here, I got this from Whole Foods, and it's the Fair Trade Everyday Shea butter, and it has a little scent to it. It smells like tangerine citrus, and it smells real good. It looks like this. And I used the leave-in conditioner on my hair first. I raked it through, and my hair was in 2 puffs for like a full day, like just with leave-in conditioner in there. And then when I got home that night, I took each section out, and that's when I put the shea butter in there, and I started sectioning off my hair and twisting the Bantu knots. And that was on Sunday night. Now, if y'all have been on my, you know, social media, I've been wearing a wrap since like Monday morning, because I was like, you know what, at the end of the week the weather gonna be a little nice, and I want my hair to be popping. So I just decided to leave my hair in Bantu knots for about 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Yeah, I wore like a little wrap, like the little wraps that people be wearing and stuff. And Tuesday night, I went to Walmart. Meanwhile, Walmart has the lowest prices for hair stuff. Like, the lowest prices. Like, get into it. And I heard a lot about this line, but I never really got a chance to use it. And I finally, you know, got some coins, and so I could be able to buy this stuff. But it wasn't even that expensive. I think this was like $3 and this was like $2. This is the Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. And I realized that like the last time I did my Bantu knots, like they were fluffy, but they weren't as defined, and I was missing like all my shine. I was like, I think the product that I'm really missing is like a mousse of some kind. So I finally, you know, got it, and while my hair was in the Bantu knots, I smoothed that through my hair or whatever, and bought this spray because it's called the Illuminate Me Shine Mist. And instead it adds shine to your hair, it really brought me like a lot of shine. Like as y'all can see, like I'm shining, 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 yeah. I'm really just happy with the turnout of this, because usually my hair be OSS. It don't be wanting to like do stuff or whatever. But I got it. I got it to do something today. I used this Jamaican Black Castor Oil to take down my hair, and yeah, I think that's everything. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a like. I'm really hype. You know, I'm stepping out. I'm serving looks both days. Like this is part 1, so get ready to like them pics, like, you know. But no, really, if you guys enjoyed this, please give me a like. Subscribe to my channel. This is Jita Beat. This is me, you know, Beat by Jita. I had a lot of names. The beat go off, you know, my vibe. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.
Anyway, you always got on some fly blue suit. Your cufflinks are shining all bright.
Baby, 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 from the day I saw you, I really, really wanted to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you. There's not a lot of guys